I knew what kinesiology was when I applied to Ontario Tech University. When I accepted my offer, I knew I was entering a multifaceted program that would teach me about physiology, psychology, biomechanics, and neurophysiology. I fully expected that, upon graduation day, I would have gained the knowledge and experience that it would take to jumpstart a career or a postgraduate degree. What I didn't know was that, in the following 4 years, I would meet my best friend, work one-on-one with professors and TAs in their labs, become passionate about research, and eventually apply to a master's program myself. I didn't know that the staff and faculty members at Ontario Tech who started out as my mentors would become my references and eventually my coworkers. I never imagined the group of people who were so established in their own careers would be so dedicated to helping their students succeed. I am so incredibly proud to be an Ontario Tech alumni.
Our program is a 4-year accredited program. We have an exceptional curriculum where the first 2 years are core kinesiology classes that you would need to take, including anatomy, physiology, motor control, motor development, exercise physiology, biomechanics, things like that. And the second half of your degree in 3rd and 4th year are a lot more choice. So you get to almost design your own program based on your interests. So what that allows you to do is if you really like a subject or a certain area, you can focus on it. For example, if you're really interested in neuromechanics or ergonomics, you can take all the courses that we offer in that area. Or maybe you're really interested in public health, and so you create a hybrid of your kin degree with other electives that we offer within the Faculty of Health Sciences. We designed this program specifically this way to give students choice. We believe that it allows for you to succeed and to really focus on the things that you're interested in. I teach a core course called Human Growth and Motor Development. This will be a first-year course for kinesiology students going forward, and where we learn all about how children develop motor skills. So everything from holding their head up when they're first born to learning how to crawl, learning how to walk, and also how to run, skip, jump, hop, catch, things like that. I think what makes us unique is our focus on rehabilitation. We are quite well known for producing or graduating kinesiology students who have a very, very solid foundation if they want to pursue a career in physiotherapy, occupational therapy, even chiropractic college, physical medicine, rehabilitation. We have a program that is very solid in rehabilitation. We also have a foundation in experiential learning. We have what we call Kinternship, where in your 4th year you can get credit to get placed either at a clinic or with a sports team or in a community center, where you get to get hands-on experience that will set you up for a career in that area. We also have Research Practicum, which gives you 6 credits in your last year to conduct a research study, either with a professor at the university and sometimes with our community partners. For example, with Ontario Shores or Lake Ridge Health, we have research partners all over the community. We also have athletic therapy internships where you can be placed with one of the university varsity teams and you are a student therapist with them for their entire season. And that is a very intense hands-on experience working with the athletes and the coaches on that team. My favorite thing about teaching at Ontario Tech has to be the students. I quite enjoy the interactions in the classroom, outside of the classroom, even online with my students, where we get to talk about the issues, we get to debate the content that we're learning. I think that if you have any desire to pursue a career in the health field, this is a very, very solid foundation degree. So if you are interested in physiotherapy, occupational therapy, medicine, chiropractic college, public health, coaching, teaching, working with different populations, older adults, children with disabilities, elite athletes. We have professors that have expertise in working with all those different populations, and our students are very, very, very well set up for success when they graduate from us. We are innovative, dedicated to our students. We are conducting cutting-edge research where we engage with our students to get in on the research at a very early stage of their career. We have personal attention. Our kinesiology labs are capped at about 22 students per lab. So instead of just watching somebody do a lab, you actually do the lab. And that combined with our internship and research practicum and athletic therapy internships give us an edge on experiential learning at this stage of your career. So I really hope that you will consider joining us next September. And if you have any thoughts or questions, you can feel free to get in touch with our faculty. Thank you so much.